Namaste, good morning, and how are you today? So, this is Dr. Beena Wagle of Samarth Wellness Clinic, and we are here with another Desi Superfood in this Desi Superfood series. And today's Desi Superfood is, believe it or not, rice. Yeah. So, I've heard, as a nutritionist, as a dietitian, I've heard numerous people ask me or say that rice बंद कर दिया है, वज़न कम करना है, राइस बंद कर दिया है, it's heavy, राइस बंद कर दिया है because I am trying to get in shape. So let me burst all your myths today. Rice is one superfood which has so many benefits, and especially for the ones who are trying to look beautiful and who are trying to lose weight, please listen in here. So rice is that one desi superfood which has got all the 9 amino acids. Okay, सारे के सारे amino acids इसमें भरे पड़े हैं. Okay, it has got iron, it has got amino acids are it's okay for simple understanding, let's call it has got all the required protein that you need. Amino acids is very essential for your cell health, that is the health of all the parts of your body. Okay, it also has iron, it has manganese, it has magnesium, it has thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, it has got lysine. Okay, so lysine is the one which helps in repair and growth of your cells. So agar aapko you want to look beautiful, you want to have good skin, you want to have nice hair, so rice is your go-to. Okay, so vitamin B का 3 components, thiamine, niacin and riboflavin, तीनों हैं which are very 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 essential for nerve health, for skin, for hair. Okay, so now let me see what all benefits rice can give you besides telling you the content. So first and foremost, it's great for your colon health. That colon is your intestines. So once your intestines start moving, you will have no problems with having a great skin, because all your body's everything that is to be thrown out, your waste products are thrown out through the urine and stool. Okay, so colon health के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, lowers your risk of heart disease. Okay, so because it is a regenerative food, it helps in lowering the risk of your heart problems. Rice is very good for people who have issues with bloating and gluten and all the things. So this is a gluten-free meal. Okay, it also has instant energy, so it gives you a pick me up quickly. It helps when you have allergies. It's a very neutral kind of food, so it soothes your system. Allergies, when you're having an allergy or you're having a flare up, it's best to go on rice and kanji, because that will kind of soothe your system. Okay, it prevents wrinkles. Of course it prevents wrinkles because it has lysine. Yeah, and it will help in the growth and repair of your skin. It helps in having great hair. Okay, if you see the coastal areas, like I said last time, coconut and rice eating belt, that is Kerala, Goa, Konkan, Maharashtra, all these people have got beautiful hair, right? They've got beautiful hair because they have 2 superfoods. One is rice and one is coconut. If you haven't seen the coconut one, go watch the previous one. Okay, and the most important one, सबको आजकल perfect figure चाहिए, सबको पतला होना है, then rice is your go-to, because rice contains inositol. I'll tell you why also. I just don't make claims. Rice has got inositol, and if you read up on inositol is very helpful in losing weight. Okay, so fat burning, because of inositol you burn fat, and it's the healthy way to lose weight. You're not losing muscle, you're losing fat here. Okay, which is not required, excess fat. Now, how to eat it best? Eat it with lots of ghee, dal and vegetables, or eat it with rice and fish curry. So you get coconut and rice together. Eat it with rice, eat it with sol curry, again coconut and rice, double benefit. Rice can be consumed in any form, but the best way to eat it is use it with a little bit of ghee. Okay, that's the best way to do it. Okay, also there is rice water. Now when you cook, traditionally we cook rice on an open fire, right? So the rice water, kindly don't discard it. Either drink it, which is best, okay, as a kanji, or you apply it onto your hair, apply it onto your face, let it dry for around 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. Okay, that is अमृत फॉर योर हेयर, लाइक इट्स लाइक नेक्टर फॉर योर हेयर, यू नो. आप ये चीज़ करके देख लो, आपको ना कोई बोटॉक्स लगने वाला है, ना हेयर स्ट्रेटनिंग की ज़रूरत है, ना कोई कंडीशनिंग की ज़रूरत है. आप ट्राई करके देखो एंड डू लेट मी नो हाउ इट वर्क्स फॉर यू. ओके, नाउ आई हैड अ कपल ऑफ क्वेश्चंस विच वर सेंट टू मी some days back. I'm taking them up now because I've done that video now. Is rice good to eat at night or is it bad? Okay, so it doesn't matter whether you eat it at night or you eat it in the day. Maintain the amount that you eat and maintain at least half an hour of exercise or walking or some kind of movement after eating it before you go to sleep. It will ensure that you have good quality sleep. Try this and see. If you're suffering from insomnia, have a little ghee rice at night and then see that you walk for 10-15 minutes before you go to sleep. You will have excellent sleep. Okay. Is rice water ferment good for the hair? Of course, yes. Rice water is excellent for the hair because it has B12. Like I said, it has got thiamine, niacin, and riboflavin, all three. Plus, it has got lysine, which is excellent for growth and repair of hair, and it is like the essential thing for good hair. Okay, there was another one which said, is Korean skin possible with rice? With rice, not really, but rice water, yes, people have. It's a controversial thing, but I believe more than application, if you intake rice and you apply it side by side, rice water, then you'll have double whammy, you'll have a double benefit. Do that rather than internally glow, internally grow, rather than applying anything externally, and you are taken care of. So that's all that I have to say in today's video about the Desi Superfood rice. And if you have missed any of the prior ones, there are 9 of them. I think 1 or 2 more to go, but if you haven't seen the previous ones, please go. Please follow us in Samarth Wellness Clinic, and do like, share and comment if you like the video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.